G'day, my name is David. Thank you for purchasing the Hamptons planter box. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble the flat pack. So all we need is a screwdriver, a pair of scissors, that's your tools. You've got a bag of glue, screws, 4 corners, 2 side panels, 3 bottom rails, and the other 2 panels which are fixed already, which you know have to road. Pretty simple how to install it. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is making sure we got everything there. Okay, so and these are pretty much numbered from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Okay, so first thing we do is find the numbers. We got a number 1 here, for example, and number 3 there. So we got to find the right matching board panel. So we found it here, a 3. So a 3 and a 3. So we lay that on the side and the bottom, and we're making sure that's the right way. 3 and 3. We have extra holes here, so we know that's the right way. So we can't have it that way because that hole does not line up. There's no other hole there, so that has to fit that way. 3 and 3. So the numbers will be 3 and 3. Okay, so what we do there is we get the glue pack, scissors. Okay, we cut a little hole on the corner of the bag, so you squirt the glue out. Righto, so we get the pack, and we squirt the glue. So we get some glue on there. Okay, it doesn't need much glue, just a bit of glue running through here. Okay, that's it then. Now the hard part is to put the glue somewhere where you're not going to make a mess. Maybe it's better getting some bit of paper as well. Anyway, right, the glue's on there. Then you get your screws. Now there's 2 different types of screws in here. Right, we've got the colour coded ones, which is your treated pine screws, and then you got your chrome screws as well. Now the chrome screws are some other ones. We put the chrome ones away from now. We don't use them. We use the colour ones. Okay, so you get your screwdriver. Okay, so we got 3 and 3. So we line it up there and there, like so. Doesn't matter if you move it a little bit. You place a screw in there with the screwdriver, and they're pre-screwed, so they should line up. Okay, get the other screw, and if you've got an impact drill, that's even better. That's in there. You tighten it up, don't go too tight, because then you end up ripping the thread of the timber. Okay, and then you repeat the other section. So again, 1 and 1 on this side, and you get your glue bag again. Alright, so we know that's going to go like that. You squirt your glue a bit in here, all along the edge here, nice and simple. Okay. Again, you work out that, and if you've got glue at home, this is PVC glue, which is good. Okay. Righto, done. Again, making sure 1 and 1 is correct, and making sure that screw there, that little hole there, is lined up with this one here. That's the most important part. You place it there. Yep, that's it there. They should sit there, and you get the other screws. Feed it through. Get your screwdriver, and screw it in. And we'll find the hole. Once it's in there, get the other side. Okay, you can spin it around if you really want to. I just won't spin it just yet. Okay, that's in there. Now you can grab that if you really want to and spin it right around. Being a right-handed, it's probably best just easy to use right hand. That's it, that squeeze it in. Nice and, you'll know how tight you'll go. Righto, okay. Then you're going to put these in as well. These are all numbered as well. There's numbers on here. Right, a number, there's 1. So there's 4. So we know the numbers are. Yep. So it's 1 and 4. 3, 4, 4. There we go. It's 4. That goes there. So there again, right there. So you just spin it around again. Yeah. Bit of glue on the edges. Again, just a bit of glue. There and there. That's it. You don't need too much glue. Making sure the numbers are correct. There's a number there, 4 and 4. Alright, now you use your chrome screws. 2 of them. About dropping 1 on the floor. Get your screwdriver and that should line up that hole. Nice and tight, not over tight, just firm. Okay, repeat your 1, so you need looking for number 1. So there's number 1 there. Again, a bit of glue. There and there. Okay, there's probably a bit too much glue there. Come in, get some of your fingers and rub it on that side. Okay, numbers lined up again, 1 on 1. Again, your chrome nails. Not screws, sorry, not nails, screws. Beauty. Okay, and that's your almost done. So I need to put glue on here first. Okay, more glue on here on this side. Probably give you a bit more glue. Okay. Now you can't go wrong here. You can't put it wrong. That does not line up with that. So there's only one way this can go. Okay, so you place it in there, line it up. Okay. Now you can flip it like that. Again, you get these screws. And once you get one screw in there, it will be pretty straightforward after that. Just getting the first one. The first one's always the hardest one. The other one going in there. Again, if you're right-handed, you're probably better off spin it around, make it easy for yourself to screw the screw in. Okay, there. Now we can put that on the side. That way. Get the other screw here. Into there. Screw it in. That's it there. The last one, which is here. There's your screws. Beautiful. Right, there. What's left? It will be 2 of these and 4 screws, but I dropped one earlier. There's it here. Again, we've got numbers there, 3 and 3. So that way they can't go wrong. So again, glue. Yep. Or maybe just a screw in a couple of screws in your fingers first as well at the same time. Just to make it a bit easier. Ahead. There, and your glue. And there, too much glue. Yep, make sure the numbers are lining up. So spin that around. Make it easier. So again, we've got the numbers 2 and 2. I'll screw it in. That's it. Righto, and that's your Hampton style planter box, which will look like something like that. Okay, now we got the bottom rails, 3 of these to throw in, and they just sit in there. If you can see correctly, they'll just sit in there. They'll sit pretty much flat like that. There, let's see your pot can fit there easy. That's how, and that's it. And you have it. Let it for that overnight before you paint it, making sure that it's dried before you paint it. Okay, so if you've got any glue that has gone over the timber, just get a wet cloth, okay, and then just give it a wipe, make sure there's no glue anywhere. Again, a bit of glue there, and that's it. That's your planter boxes. A nice Hampton style planter box, all ready to paint and put whatever you need in. Make sure you paint it a good undercoat and then whatever colour you choose to paint it with. Thank you.